Dan, first I want to express again my deepest sorrow that your family has been personally affected in such a horrific way, and all the families that have been affected by police violence towards Black men and women in the United States. And the rawness that is going through our community is incredibly intense. Would you maybe consider a friendly amendment to direct the administration to develop a plan for the elimination of the SROs and the impacts and the implications?
Zach, do you accept that as a friendly amendment?
That would, just 1 second, that would have the intent that I hear you express and the community express, as well as addresses the potential concerns of making sure that we're within the law of the Safe to Learn Act of 2018.
So, Ms. Mallo, can you be succinct? Because I'm sure that Ms. Hanks was trying to write an amendment for you.
Oh, no, all it was would Mr. Kong consider an amendment of direct the administration to develop a plan for the elimination of SROs with the impacts and the implications therein?
I'm incredibly wary of, I think we understand, and I think that evidence and data is very clear that SROs are not positive and not positive input, and overwhelmingly positive in the schools. And so I'm very wary that we are dragging our feet and we're waiting and continually pushing this off. I think the data is clear. But I would like to hear from Mr. Blom. If we were to move forward on this motion and we pass this motion, is passing this motion illegal? Will we be against state law by not having that alternative plan in place?
Mark Blom again. I believe that the motion can be passed and implemented. We may very well look to the plan to reassess the adequate law enforcement coverage. But since the law does not mandate the SROs, I think that the school board could lawfully, if it chooses, could lawfully take action to have them no longer a resource in our buildings. And we would just have to look and see if we need to bolster the law enforcement coverage aspect, which is used as the alternative, under the law, it's used as the alternative to SROs.
And so with that, we will not be knowing we'll be still in compliance with state law. I think they can move forward with the original motion to remove all SROs from our schools.
Okay, Ms. Taj?